Hi everyone. This is a very short demo to demonstrate how we can create the NIC teaming on server 2012 R2. The only difference on this video is like we are going to do everything from remotely using our virtual machine manager connecting to the two Hyper-V hosts, and then we try to create the network teaming. So for that, let me connect to the server manager on 2012 R2 server. Sorry, the VMM server, and under the all servers I'm going to connect it to the two Hyper-V host computers and add them for the remote management. So once the two Hyper-V host has been added and responding properly, we can actually go ahead and configure NIC teaming. When the network teaming window opens, under the teams you can say new team, and then you can give a name, whatever the name you prefer to give for this NIC teaming. So we'll give the name as VM team 1, and we'll select VM NIC 1 and VM NIC 2. And when you go to the additional property window, you will have more information about the more configuration about the network teaming. Since like I'm doing all these host computers also are virtual machines, you won't find all the network teaming options, advanced options available. But if you're running on inside the actual Hyper-V host computer, you will find the network teaming. There are few more options available. So saying that, I'll go ahead and create the network teaming. It will take a few seconds in the background to create the network teaming. Even though the warning is there, it will be getting completed in a little while. So while it's running in the background, I'll select the same task for the second Hyper-V host. For the naming, I'll try to give the same name. So we'll call it as VM team 1 and select VM NIC 1 and VM NIC 2 and create OK. So even though like we are getting this kind of warnings, like after a little bit time when you try to refresh it, these warnings will be actually moved out. So we'll give a couple of seconds and then I'll return back once actually the VM NIC teaming has been completed. Okay, after a couple of seconds, the network teaming is up and running in the node 2. And if I look at the same on the Hyper-V host 1, you can see the network teaming has been completed. So this is a very small demo, but the key, the message I just want to pass is rather than going to each of these Hyper-V host server manager properties, you can do all these tasks using the server manager. So server manager is a very powerful central management system. Once you get to know all the features, nitty bits in the server manager, you will find it will be really useful for the day-to-day server management part. So thank you for watching.